Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and today we are going to see something very unique. We are going to check whether this cheap 360 kind of VR headset works with our DJI Mavic or not. I do not have the money to buy the DJI goggles, so I know that the experience in DJI goggles would be way more better, but I have got some tips. So let's begin without further ado. So at first, go to your iPhone or Android, whichever one you're using. Go ahead and download this app. It's called Drone VR. Now I've downloaded all the other versions also, but I think that the Drone VR has got better ratings. Now, as you can see, for my Mavic Air, Phantom 3 and all that stuff, it's all locked, which means that I have to pay. So I wanted to get the experience on my Mavic Air, so I have to purchase this for $8.99, but I can test it for 5 minutes. That's what we are going to do. Remember this, guys, this will work great, or you will have an awesome experience if you're using an iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, or a Samsung Note 9, S9 or S8, because they have higher DPI displays. That's the reason it's going to work and look better. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go to our next segment. So the app is supposed to work with my Phantom 3 SE, but I use this for other purposes. I do want to do some cinematic shots, but I'm going to use my Mavic Air for this, and let's see whether that works with our Mavic Air or not. For your Mavic Air, you have to connect your phone. To this USB rather than connecting it to the side, because we'll be using this separately. So let's jump in. So again, before we begin, we have to go and calibrate because we are in a new location. So go ahead and go to DJI Go 4 app, and it will show calibration mode. So we'll go to calibrate. So the app is Drone VR. So for Mavic Air, we are going to test this. Just make sure your everything is connected out here. Well, it will show disconnected because that app has taken over. So Drone VR again, Mavic, test, start, connect. Okay, so we'll press fly, and that's how it looks. Okay, so we'll pop this in, and we got liftoff. In this, we can see around what's going on. So basically now we know our level, our position and everything. And we can toggle the camera a bit up and down, and we can move around. FPV is a very close flight, so which means that you do not know what's going outside. So we'll be very slow. Amazing. Yeah, amazing the way it looks and everything. So now you can see with your VR a first person view of what's going on. Now, since there is nobody out here, we're going to do a little bit of flight. Will I lose transmission? So I'm taking a little bit of height. Shows me my signals, my GPS and everything. It's pretty far. That's good. I'll bring the drone down now. Before we bring the drone down, make sure there is nobody underneath. You're at 77 feet. There's a dog coming towards my way, so I'll move away. Okay, so we'll look for the dog, whether it's there downstairs or not. That's the thing, whenever you're flying FPV, you're flying blind, which means that you have to constantly monitor where you're landing or anything. So for example, now the zone is clear for me. I can go ahead and land. Yeah, so we will not land right now. There was a nice little dog which was coming towards the drone. So yeah, so we'll not touch anything right now. We'll get the owner get out of that. Okay guys, we completely forgot to test one thing with our Drone VR, is that whether the camera functions work with this or not. Okay, so at first we are going to connect this usually with our DJI Go 4 app, I had to do this because I really forgot. I was so excited with everything that I really forgot about it. So calibrate, I will not calibrate right now. It's in no positioning mode because I'm inside my house. So for a reference, we have kept this box, and we are going to check whether this is going to record, the VR is going to record while we are flying or not. So we'll go ahead and go to the application called Drone VR, and we'll play connect and then fly. Now, as you will see, the reception actually comes in. I'm pretty sure you cannot control the gimbal pitch without this, but if you press this button, will it record? Yes, it does record, guys. It does record when you're flying. Thank you. I was so like nervous about this. So yes, you can actually record. And the second thing is that if you want, you can take pictures also. So amazing, amazing. I never thought that this will happen, because I was like, no, I cannot do this. My friend was asking me also the same thing. So basically, if you have a custom bunk function set up, so press this button and it will record. Guys, this is so much fun. I had so much of fun with this headset. um, like flying my FPV style droning and everything. If your friends ask a question, can you fly your drone with a $20 headset? Yes, you can. And dang, I mean, I've got nothing to say about it. I would say like, share, and comment on the video. See whether you think that this is a good option or not. But I think for $20, this is the best thing I've ever owned. So take care.